Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for NASDAQ price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. Starting on the weekly for the all-time history, we have a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. You have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to finish a wave 3. In the blue count between the 1 to 1 fib level, 0.618 taken from the wave 1 to the wave 3, giving us, of course, is this a blue zone target, of course, for a wave 5. Meaning your wave 5 has to be impulsive 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 to hit around, of course, as this level. 1.618 is, of course, a target in common, of course, or in confluence as well for this scenario taken from the wave 1, 2 in a blue count, giving us 1.618, 37K. Very nice confluence for, of course, a price. Now, if we move a little bit inside this wave here on the daily chart, we are looking, of course, at this move toward the upside, which is our wave 5 after reaching a wave 4 here. You are, of course, looking for a 1, 2, and then 3 potentially, and your wave 4 is a running flat potentially if we get, of course, a continuation toward the upside, unless, of course, we continue toward the downside for an expanding flat here, hitting the 1.38, 1.618. This would be, of course, kind of very close for a recession signal for a bigger, of course, expanding flat. Next blue zone, this is, of course, our target for a recession in case we are in a recession. So far we are moving toward the upside as a reversal, and of course, as mentioned before, we were estimating a reversal for the market, and here we go. It is moving in green again, of course, after having W, X, and a Y. Meaning this potentially wave 4 has finished, of course, truncated as, of course, 3 waves down, 3 waves up, 3 waves down, again expanding, not expanding, sorry, WX and a Y, and eliminating the expanding flat actually right now, and we're looking for higher. As you can see, invalidation, we had, of course, invalidation of bullish here where we were 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, potentially looking for wave 5. But it is not impulsive, it moved corrective, of course, and the price invalidate this impulse, meaning turning all of this as correction. Therefore, right now we are, of course, estimating the scenarios here where we have potentially the following scenarios. We have finished in a WXY, 3 waves toward the downside where you finished here a W. Your X is very shallow, and you finished another zigzag for a wave Y here. And you're looking into, of course, several scenarios. Let's move inside this zone here, where we have potentially a wave 1, A, B, C for a wave 2. You're looking for another wave 1 as an impulse again, of course, for a wave 1 again, and then a wave 2, one more time, a longer wave 2, and then moving impulsively toward the upside for a wave 3. Very nice, and invalidation of all the bearish scenario, where we were looking for an impulse 1, 2, 3, and your wave 4 is not allowed to interfere with this zone. Here we go, invalidated, so very nice to see it. Potential for bullish scenario, even the level was taken as well, and here we go, we have touched the 1 to 1 fib level as expected. Blue box, very nice touch and very nice reaction as well. We have estimated that we're gonna move 3 waves toward the downside in case we continue toward the upside, and here we go. Yeah, so we're looking for higher right now in case we move in 5 waves, meaning, of course, continuation toward the upside. This signal was not given yet, but of course, don't forget, we still need to pass the blue box. Yeah, we still need to pass it decisively, yeah, to make sure that we are moving for higher for a wave 3 around the 1.618, or at least uncommon target for wave 3, 20K 300. Would be nice, of course, if we hit the 1.618, the most common target for, of course, a wave 1.618. But don't forget that this is a target for the wave 3 in the yellow, meaning if we hit, of course, if we pass this wave 3 here, that would be a nice indication that we are opening several 4-5s. That because it will open the 1-2, 1-2 scenario, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5 to the upside. So to be watched, of course, level by level. We would like now to break this decisively. Otherwise, it still can be, of course, a W, X, and a Y, because this wave Y needs to be, of course, an impulse. This wave 5 impulse can still finish here and move toward the downside. We need to break this decisively. Preferably we reach the 20k 300. That would be a very nice signal for continuation toward the upside. However, definitely we're gonna break the blue box right now, or enter the blue box, because we are corrective. We're still looking to take the high. We're gonna enter the blue zone and we're gonna see the reaction again, finishing this impulse. Hopefully 3 waves down again and continuation for higher, or even decisively breaking this directly toward the upside. So we're gonna watch and see what's gonna happen. Yeah, it's gonna be a green day potentially, of course, for today, unless of course we break down very fast. That was it for NASDAQ. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.